Nominees for the I Am Knowledge Award should exemplify the following traits. Number 1. Passion for education. They have a deep commitment to teaching and learning. Number 2. Accessibility. Their efforts make education more accessible to underserved populations. Number 3. Impactful. They can demonstrate tangible improvements in educational outcomes. Number 4. Inspirational. They motivate others to pursue knowledge and self-improvement. Number 5. Innovative. They employ creative and effective methods to facilitate learning. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Say Who Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at whocommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.